Hello, friends and families. Today I wanted to review with you what a fact family is. So a fact family has three numbers. Remember, they're going to be your two parts and your whole, because part, whole, addition. Whole minus part is part, right? So there are three numbers that create two related addition facts and two subtraction facts. Now, this related, you know that it means that they go together. The three numbers are part of that fact family. So if I make an addition fact using those three numbers, I can write it in two ways. And if I make a subtraction fact using those three numbers, there are two related subtraction facts that I can make, or the numbers are the same. So take a look over here at our little house. Our three numbers are 15, 10, and 5. Which number do you think is the whole? And I can use a number bond, sorry friends, or a part whole mat to help me write that down, right? So let's do my part whole mat. So my three numbers in my fact family are 10, 15, and 5. Which is the whole? If you said 15, you would be correct, because 15 is the biggest number, and we know that the whole is complete and is the biggest number. So I'm going to put that in my number bond, and I'm going to put that in my part whole mat. So if 15 is my whole, then what are my two parts in this fact family? Remember, all the three numbers must be in the facts. I can't just say, well, 15 is my whole, so you know what? My part is going to be 9. No, because is 9 part of my three numbers? Is 9 part of my fact family? No. So then I know that one of my parts is 10. And if one of my parts is 10 from this fact family, and I know that my whole is 15, then that means my other part is, that's right, 5. Okay? And we know that when we are adding, we put two parts together to get our whole. And we know that when we are subtracting, we take away one of the parts from our whole to get our missing part. So in this case, for 10, 15, and 5, one addition fact is 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And we know that in addition, when we switch the order of the parts, we still get the same whole. So my other and related addition fact is 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now, relating that to subtraction, I know that if I add 10 to 5, I get 15. So I know that if I take away 10 from 15, I get 5. So 15 minus 10 equals 5. I know that if I do 5 plus 10, I get 15. I see it right here. So I know that the related subtraction fact, 15, our whole, minus 5, our part, will give me my other part of 10. So what about the numbers 7. Can you think of the 4 related facts? First, think about what is your whole, what are your parts, and then think about all of the facts that you can write using only those 3 numbers. So 13, 6, and 7. Would 5 plus 6 equals 11 be part of that fact family? Would 7 minus 6 equals 1 be part of that fact family? No. My fact families have to have all 3 numbers. So, go ahead and think about it. Work on it with a grown-up. And if you would like, you can actually either write in the comments or email me and Miss Rubin to let us know what are the facts in this fact family for 13, 6, and 7.